Welcome to ShuleSoft School Management System. We want to show you how we set up and install ShuleSoft. So, not even install, running the ShuleSoft. So, first of all, we installed our database monitoring system here. So, you come and click it on. It's connected. You can collect the server details here. Then we now go to the ShuleSoft application itself. Yeah, it's here. So, let me log in. Let me keep myself signed in. Okay, so yeah, this is how the system looks like. So first thing, after you've installed your system, you come here and set up your school information, country, the area, this information here, including the school logo. Yeah, then we also have the class stream and term information. You can set them up here. Then we go to finance. Finance, you can set up the vote heads, mode of payments, and transport locations. Also, you can set them here. They are just part of finance. Yeah. There's also payment through M-Pesa, bank, Visa. Yeah. Then here you can come and set up your email, server, and SMS. So we have our database backup system here. And we also have user accounts here. For example, you can create a guest user, teacher, give them policies of what they can do. They can delete, update, create or report data from here. So you also have the subject of grading. So here we have subject families and the subjects here. So we have in the subject families, we have humanities sciences. You can be doing 3 humanities, 3 sciences, mathematics 1. Yeah, so you can come and list them here, and if those subjects are gradable, you select them here. But now you can come, if you can, let's say you want to grade 2 humanities and you have let's say 5 humanities there. So it will be graded by those best performed. So here we also come, we can select our grading category from grading styles that I'll show you in the next. Here you can see the specifications of this subject in the timetable. Will they be taught in the morning, mid-morning, or in the evening? Yeah, I'll come and check them here. Yeah, just creating subjects, you just come and click this space here. Let's say when I click here, you start with the school code, subject, unit, whatever. There, yeah. That was just a sample. So let us go to our exam. Exam, you can come and see grading categories here that I said. So we are now, there's the old model of the grading systems and there's the new model of exceed expectation. Yeah, those. So all of them are included here. Let me show you sample of these using the old KCSE modules. So let's say mock grading system, you can see them here, from 80 to 100 being 12 points for grade A. Yeah, and all that. You can have multiple of them. Yeah. Then let me show you the new CBC way. So for mock, you can be having exceeding expectation, meeting expectation, having 4 points. Yeah. Then we also have the performances for these students. We also have their comments. We also have grading types. You have class rankings type. Let's say grading system for ranking your classes. Some classes may be having these and stuff, so you can grade them using your desirable grading system. Then exam types in the term or session. Yeah. So let's go to our logs. We can see from here the sessions. So all of them are tracked here. So for activity, let us see. In our session, I've signed out specific times. You can see. You can also, there's no activity, I've not done anything. Just sign in, showed you samples. So let me go to yesterday's log for us to check. You can see I signed in and did multiple changes here. So all of them are traced and tracked. So you can view all these activities here. You can view all the sessions too here. Okay. So basically, those are the key technical points. Let me show you something about connections to the server. So online server. So after you're connected to the online server, you can sync your details, then upload them. So when I come here, I want to select, let's say, students. I sync their data information. So yeah, you wait for the data to sync here. After syncing, it will let you know, then you move to the next step. Yeah. So this data is syncing. Yeah. So the sync is done. So now the information can be posted to the online portals. So it has failed now, the online, because you're not connected to any server for this demo. I'll show you when connected in the next tutorial. Yeah. So let me show you how to connect multiple computers here. So you can come and click this IP address and change the IP address of the respective computers. From, you see, you pick this information from the database monitoring system. You see, it's the same as this in the local main computer. For the public, for the online one is this one. So all that, you come and enter here and it will configure your system. So status, you are connected to the DB. This is my role as an administrator. So in the next module, I'll come and inform you more about the student information and more tasks before we proceed to library, dormitory, finance. Yeah, then we will be done. So thank you for your time to check on this module. I'll see you in the next.